Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Discord overlay and reset GPU settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Discord's overlay feature, start by opening the Discord application on your computer. In the bottom left corner, click on the user settings icon, which resembles a gear. In the settings menu, scroll down and find the game overlay section. Click on game overlay to access its settings. You will see a toggle switch labeled Enable in-game overlay. Toggle this switch to the off position to disable the overlay. Next, navigate back to the main settings menu. Scroll down to the registered games section. Here, you can see a list of games with the overlay enabled. Click on any game to further customize or disable the overlay for that particular game. To fully uninstall Discord's overlay, consider reinstalling the Discord app. Close the Discord application completely. Next, go to your computer's settings. Open the Apps or Programs section. In the list of installed applications, find Discord. Select it and click on the Uninstall button. Once the uninstallation is complete, visit Discord's official website to download the latest version. Install Discord again by following the on-screen instructions. Now, to reset GPU settings, start by right-clicking on your desktop. From the menu, select either NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon settings, depending on your GPU. In the Control Panel, look for an option that resembles Restore Defaults or Reset. Click on this option to reset your GPU settings to factory defaults. Confirm any prompts that appear to ensure the reset is completed. After resetting, it might be a good idea to restart your computer. This ensures that all changes take effect properly. Once your computer is back on, check if the changes have resolved your issues with the Discord overlay. You will now have successfully uninstalled the Discord overlay and reset your GPU settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.